It's really warm now.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
I don't know about that.
It is, we checked.
Not after last night. I don't trust you guys.
No,
Good morning, you guys. It's a new day.
Remember, Poppy, just let me get
And
nothing.
We are heading on into the town to find my brother and his family. We had a little delay this morning because I dropped my bracelet down the drain trying to put it on. So we had to get a maintenance man around to come and fish out my bracelet. So that was fun. And then we're going to go looking for some waterfalls apparently at a place called, what was it called again?
See, we are going to the waterfall.
Something.
Oh, I thought you meant. Oh, you said Willow Creek. I don't know.
I don't know. I'll pop it on the screen here because I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is our last full day here, and then we go home tomorrow morning. So that's sad, but we're excited to go home and see Tones and Alfie and the guinea pigs, and yeah. Oh, it's scary. My eyes are watering.
But Mum, when we went to go do like the scavenger hunt around the are we now? Holiday park.
No, not now, baby.
We checked the water and it was like so warm.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So Poppy's
we went swimming last night and it was freezing.
Even Pop checked and you're saying your camera's going.
Well, maybe Poppy. Oh my gosh, we're losing you guys. Maybe Poppy will go in.
Let's go get it.
That's intense. That'll have to do. What else do we want to do today?
I want to go to the shops.
You want to go back to the shops?
I want to go to the but I want to buy those things like that. There's like there were these rings at the store where I got this jumper, and they had like these
they had that little
like together
circle symbol. I did find a perfume yesterday that I really liked. It was like an oil roll-on perfume, and I think I want to get it because I can still smell it at the end of the day, and I was like, well, it's definitely good quality at last. It was $45 for the little roller ball, so yeah, I think. Oh, it's in my pocket. We've got our new jumpers on, which is kind of fun. Our Apollo Bay jumpers, and they're so nice and warm and snuggly. And I think Kaiser wanted to look at getting a jumper. Is that right, Kai? You wanted one like this? Did you, Alabella?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll look at that as well. Yeah, we will see you guys either in town or at the waterfalls if we find them. We don't even know what they're called. The kids found a wishing well.
And the rings are infinity rings.
Oh, those rings that she was trying to tell you guys about. They're called infinity rings. Let us know if you have one. Are you guys going to make a wish?
Something?
Yeah. There's a few coins in there.
No, you can tell the island. Okay, so...
You got to say thank you to Indy.
Thank you, Indy. So, do I just put it in there?
You make a wish in your mind.
Mum, last time I did
and then
this,
you throw
my
it
wish
in.
never came true.
Well, oh, in he goes. No, you don't tell the wish. You just think it to yourself. Sometimes they take time to come through. True. Through and true.
How many wishes are you allowed to do?
One! Ella! Unless you wish for 1,000,000 wishes. I don't know if that works.
I'm making my wish.
Good jobs! Good job, baby.
Thanks.
What'd you wish for? I was just testing you to see if you would.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Kaisi. Kaisi boy. Oh, sleepy baby. Oh, sleepy baby. We're here, Kais. You want to come out and have a play? Want to come see your cousins?
Can I go over to them?
Oh, yeah, you can go over to them. Come on, guys. Oh, you can't fall asleep again, Bubba. Alright, you guys, we are here with one very sleepy little boy. But we're here. We're in Paradise, literally. This place is called Paradise, I think. And it's really beautiful. The drive to get here was absolutely stunning. I was just all through rainforest and it just keeps going and going. And now we're going on a little rainforest walk. I don't know where we're going. I'm just following the pack. Cold, guys. Pull your panties right up.
Hey? Freezing cold.
Panties right up. That's it.
It's cold.
It's so cold.
It's cold. It's face.
You've got to see if you can make it bounce on the water. You've got to make the stone bounce.
We're right now going on a walk. Mom, say hi. They'll be hiding. Oh my gosh. We finished going in the water. It's pretty. Maybe if I. Oh my gosh, it's so muddy. Oh my gosh. It's muddy. Look, it's so muddy. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'll come out of this rainforest and I'll have like 15 bites on me.
I feel like we shouldn't go too much further because we're going to get lost.
I'm not going to get lost. Just follow the
You
way.
know the way. Look out for the muddage. Oh, my muddy squirrel.
Ah, whoa my gosh. Heck no. Oh my gosh, this is so muddy. Hey Mom, I asked Devin and Landon how long do you think it took for all this to grow. Devin said 4 years. And Landon said 121 years. Let me see if I can
Yay!
So pretty.
I want to go more.
I won't go any further, but at least it's there. Now we'll go
I
further.
don't think we should go more, Al. Ella? I don't think we should go down further.
Dora the
You like it
Explorer. I spot Dora.
You spot Dora the Explorer?
I spot Dora.
Yeah, Dora the Explorer.
Oh my gosh, it is muddy.
Who's that?
Smile. I was
You're
busy.
on candid camera. Alright,
Okay,
let's go, baby.
we're gonna go back. Now, which way? Oh my gosh, I did not know there was mud there. Oh my goodness.
My shoes are hard and muddy.
Do you want to have a little hold? Yeah.
Go like this. Run in the jungle. Run back.
Good job, Belly Days.
I want to keep on. Maisie, you have paparazzi.
The fern tree will fall over if she pushes on it. And it didn't. And it didn't. Okay, you guys, we are finished at the Paradise, whatever you call it. We didn't actually see any waterfalls, but it was just beautiful scenery, really luscious green fern trees.
Waterfalls.
Do you mean waterfalls? Well, we thought we were going to see waterfalls, but we didn't. But it was beautiful all the same. We just came back to the shops. So the kids really liked Indian eyes jumpers. So Kaisi wanted to go matchy-matchy, and he got a little mini version of mine, which is really cute. And then Ella picked out this really nice kind of coral pink one. Well, she wanted the light pink and they'd run out. So I FaceTimed her and showed her this one and she seemed to like it. So I hope when we see her, she actually does like it. I'm sure she will. It's really, really pretty. And then these are those infinity rings. So we all got, me, Indy and Ella got one each
And
to
then
wear.
I got. Where's your camera? Oh, there. The heart one.
A cute little
I guess.
heart gemstone, which is really, really cute. Now we're going to go back to the cabin and relax, and then maybe go down to the beach because the sun's out and it's actually really good weather to go and build some sandcastles. Not for swimming because it's freezing. Yes, baby.
But actually we can't.
Why?
Because the digger's there.
Oh, well, yeah, we won't go near the digger. We'll just go on the sand.
But we want to go in the sea.
You want to go in the sea? We can go in the sea. Oh no, first I want to go and grab that roll-on perfume that I told you guys about. So we've got to try and find that shop. I can't remember which one it was along here. So yeah, we're going to go and try and find that. And I might show you guys in the store because it's actually really cute, the little store that they're in. So that's what we're going to do. These are them. They're so good, and this is the one I like. Does that? Let me smell. That does smell nice. Really nice. So they've just got really nice candles and oils and things in here. Really nice gift ideas. But yeah, these blends are really, really fragranced and long lasting. Definitely recommend them. And the one that I'm getting is the blend $2.50. Coconut oil roll-on body fragrance for him and her is very good. And they're so handy just to be able to chuck in your handbag or just to quickly use them on the go. So cool. What's Kaisi getting into over there? Oh, they got a little toy basket. It's cute. Oh, look at the little Lamington sock-ins. That's so cute.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, buddy. You look like a bug. I feel like Kaisi would love this book, Henry the Flying Emu. Don't you think? Look at that emu's face.
Yeah.
So funny. These are cute.
What are they? What are they made of?
Wood. Or
Cardboard.
cardboard.
Oh,
Close
it's a
enough.
meerkat. Mommy, look at the meerkat.
I love that. But I love the little sloth. How cute's the little sloth?
Mm.
So
Look, you can make
cute.
it. You can make a llama.
Oh, that's cool. That would be a good gift for one of your friends.
Indy, look.
What?
Ready? Which arm? This one. This. And then this one. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice.
But I think.
Do you want to see your jumper, Al?
Yeah.
It's in here. Oh no, I can't get it open. Can you grab the keys for me, please, baby?
Where are they?
In my bag, you know where I put my bag?
I thought they were juicy fruits, but they were.
They are. They're juicy fruit. Oh, there we go. Have a look and see what you
Yeah.
think. Yeah.
Yay! Is this Indy's? No, it's
We all got one.
We're going to the beach tonight.
Yeah, won't that be fun? Do you love the colour of this?
Yeah.
How pretty is it?
Thank you.
It's alright. So me, you and Indy got the infinity ring.
Yay!
Yay! Good morning. It's our last day. We are getting everything packed in the car to go. Well, we're literally throwing everything in, as you can see. Oh my gosh. I need to just make sure I can get down low so I can see out the rearview mirror. What time is it, do you know? I don't know. I think it's about 8:30 and checkout is at 10. So I'm gonna have a little coffee and relax. Maybe go to the park.
Yeah.
Ooh. You're a cutie bat, aren't you? Are you sad to go?
Mom, it's 9 o'clock.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sad to leave? Show your sad face. Show the face I love. Oh, I love that face.
Why are my lips? Why are my lips red?
That's how God made them.
Mom, can
Rosy
I show them
red.
what time it is?
Yeah. And o'clock on the dot. So we have an hour to hand the keys back. And then I think we're going to go back down into the town.
Does that have an ice cream shop?
I'm sure they do,
Like
yeah. I don't know if it'd be open.
Yes.
Right now.
Can we go to the lolly shop? No.
Yeah, so we're going to go back down into the town and I think grab some coffee there as well and play at the park. And then we're going to head to Lawn for lunch because that's kind of like our halfway home point. Let's grab some lunch together and then head on home and unpack the mess. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, Tone surprised us with all of these presents. And me, I'd been saying how I loved this elephant at Spotlight because I got the candle holders and the giraffes. And he surprised me with the elephant. That's such a nice thing to come home to. Aww. What does it say? Dinner is in the fridge. Let's have a looky, shall we? And he made our dinner. Oh my gosh, that is so good because I really can't be bothered cooking. He is such a good husband. I'm going to show the kids now. They haven't seen this yet. Okay, you guys, come in.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Look, Kaisi, look what Daddy got you.
Wait, did Dad get something for all of us?
Yeah, and I got that beautiful elephant I love. And he made us dinner and it's in the fridge. Isn't that so good? Belly got slime. Kaisi got the toolbox. You want to watch that movie?
I've already watched all of them.
And Indy got
Can I open it? Because
the
I've already opened it,
Hogwarts.
Mum. Mum, can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it.
You got more fluffy
Because she's so obsessed with Harry Potter at the moment, aren't you, babe?
what I'm wearing.
Because he got you the toolbox. Because remember how you loved the toolbox the other day?
Look.
Yeah. Very
Because
fitting.
mine went and I was so naughty.
You were naughty, so you didn't get it. That's right. But now you've been a good boy, so you did get it. I know. We're having steaks. Steak and veg. Wow.
Do you have a bowl?
Yeah, you can open it. All right, our little boy's waiting to see us. We just went and saw the guinea pigs. They're doing excellent. We had cuddles. Hello, my handsome devil. You're so cute. Come over here. Give me a smooch. Guys, Elfie, come and give me smoochy pooch. I loves you. I missed you so much, Elf. We missed you so much. Yes, we just jumped straight into the camera. We missed our boy. Yeah, we did.
And they have
Look how overgrown our grass is. Holy moly. Wow, look at the size of this weed. That's insane. Hi, Elf. I know, I love you. I love you so much. He just wants to kiss you so bad.
I just feel so lucky.